Welcome to the video tutorial part of this book. In this lesson, Lesson 1, we'll be moving data with Import and Export Wizard. The Import and Export Wizard can move almost any data to any data source or any destination. It can be accessed through Management Studio, which is one of the easiest ways of accessing it, or from Business Intelligence Development Studio, a derivative of Visual Studio. You can also access it right from the Start menu. It additionally will add additional conversions if data types don't match up between the source and the destination, making it one of the easiest ways to get data from any source to any destination nearly. Now that you know a little bit about this great tool, let's try it out. In this lesson, you want to move the file belgiumextract.txt to any database of your choosing. You also want to fix the data types there. So in other words, there's some date columns, some integer columns. Those dates should all be fixed as well. So I'll show you how to do that in this lesson. To open this up, I'm going to open up Management Studio, connect to my database. I'll go to the VentureWorks 2008 database. I'll right-click, select Task, and select Import Data. I'll then hit Next, and I'll make my source a flat file. Next, browse over to my source, which in my case is in my directory here under Code. You can get this code from the ROCS website. So I'll select the file, hit OK. The column names are in the first row. Go to Columns, and you can see all the data here beautifully. You can also go to the Advanced page and map the data to something a little bit more appropriate. So I'll change this purchase order number to like an integer if I wanted to. In this case, it'll be a 4-byte integer. The order date, ship date, well, these columns, I'll make those date columns, which will be a database date. Okay, which is DT_DB date. The sales total, tax amount, freight, total due, I'll make all those a currency field. And that's good enough for the time being. You can all see in a preview, you can confirm that these are indeed times and dates. Looks good. Hit Next. I'm going to the VentureWorks database. That's perfect. Hit Next again. I can now change the name of this column, or this table, by hitting Edit Mappings. In this case, you can hit Edit SQL here and make changes to this table if you wanted to. So I'll change it to Belgium extract without the space, hit OK. As you can see here, all the metadata mapped up beautifully. I'll hit OK, and I need to change the table name here as well to Belgium extract, which doesn't exist yet, so I'm going to take out the space there as well. Hit Next again, and hit Finish. As you can see, 4,000 rows did transfer. You can hit the little ellipsis button and get a little bit more information about it, which is almost nothing in this case. And you can see exact steps here as well. I could have also saved this as an SSIS package and used it as a building block for the rest of my package. In this lesson, we use the Import-Export Wizard to load a flat file into a SQL Server database. This Import and Export Wizard can be accessed through Management Studio or through Biz. It can also be accessed right from your Start menu under SQL Server 2008. It can be used to move almost any source data to nearly any destination. It also creates some minor data conversion transforms and components that may be necessary to move varchar data to nvarchar columns.